Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn science class second lesson. Plants give us the explanation part is completed, children. Today we discuss tick the correct answer. First one, tick the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. Today we will discuss. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. First one, we get oil from. We get oil from. We get oil from fruits and nuts. Yes. For option A, apples. Option B, jute. Option C, coconuts. We get oil from fruits and nuts. Correct? A. Option A is correct answer. Apples. Second one, juice from the kikar tree. Juice from the kikar tree. Juice from the kikar tree is used to make. Second is the correct option. Juice from the kikar tree is used to make. Options: rubber. Option B, oil. Option C, gum. Which one, children? We use kikar tree and use it to make rubber or oil and gum. Which one is correct answer? C is the correct answer. Juice from the kikar tree is used to make gum. Option C. Okay. Next, third one, we get oil from apples, nuts and fruit seeds, and juice of the kikar tree is used to make gum. Third one, the leaves of this plant. The leaves of this plant are used to cure cold and cough. Which leaves? The leaves of this plant are used to cure cold and cough. Which leaves we use and cure cold and cough? Option A, tulsi. Option A, tea leaves. Option B, tulsi. Option C, sugar cane. Which leaves you can use to cure cold and cough? Tulsi leaves. Which leaves? Tulsi leaves. Option B, tulsi leaves are used to cure cold and cough. Fourth one, perfumes. Perfumes are mostly made from sweet smelling dash. Options: A, fruits. Option B, flowers. Option C, vegetables. Perfumes are mostly made from sweet smelling fruits, flowers, vegetables. Which are they used mostly in perfumes? Flowers, sweet smelling flowers. Which are the sweet smelling flowers? Rose and jasmine. Okay. First one, we get oil from fruits and nuts, seeds and kikar. Juice of the kikar tree is used to make gum. The leaves of this plant used to cure cold and cough. Tulsi. Perfumes are mostly made from sweet smelling flowers. Okay. Examples of sweet smelling flowers: rose and jasmine. These are the the correct answer. Next one, see children. Beat it. Fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters with the help of clues. What is the BB? Fill in the missing letters with the help of clues. First one, we make paper. We make paper from this plant. From this plant. From this plant. Here given wow. Okay, we make paper from this plant. Here given one clue wow. Okay, second one see. We get gum from this tree. Here given one clue. Here given R. Okay, we make paper from this plant. We make paper from this plant. Which plant we make paper? So children, which plant we use to make paper? Bamboo. B-A-M-B-O-O. Bamboo plant. We make paper from bamboo plant. We make paper from bamboo plant. We get gum from this tree. Which tree we get from gum? Kikar tree. K-E-E-K-A-R. Kikar tree. We get gum from kikar tree. Juice of the kikar tree. We get gum from juice of the kikar tree. Next, third one. We use this to paste. We use this to paste things together. Paste things together. Which thing we use to paste things together? Here given clue U. Which one we use paste together? Gum. G-U and gum. We use gum to paste things together. We use gum to paste things together. Next, we drink it with milk and sugar. Milk and sugar. Here given F-E. Here given F-E. Here say children, we drink it with milk and sugar. We drink it milk and sugar. We drink it with milk and sugar. Which one drink with milk and sugar? Coffee. C-O-F-F-E-E. Coffee. Yes, we drink it with milk and sugar. Coffee. We drink coffee with milk and sugar. Are you understand, children? We make paper from this plant, bamboo plant. We get gum from this tree, kikar tree. Juice of the kikar tree we get gum. We use this to paste things together. Gum. We use gum to paste things together. We drink coffee with milk and sugar. We drink coffee with milk and sugar. Next one. Fifth one. We use this to make sweet. Here given clue G and R. Which thing we use? Which thing we make to our food sweet? Sweet. We use this to make our food sweet. Which thing we add food? The food is sweet. Sugar. Yes. U-G-A-R. Sugar. We use sugar to make our food sweet. We use sugar to make our food sweet. These are the fill in the missing letters with the help of clues. Next. See children. Next bit. See bit. Given below. Given below the given below are the names of things we use. Given below are the names of things we use. Color the boxes. Green for the things. Which come from plants. Are you understand children? See it. Given below are the names of things we use. Color the box. Green for the things which comes from plants. Plants నుంచి వచ్చే things కి ఏ కలర్ వేయాలి? Green color. Okay. Here given some names. Cotton. In this box fill the green color. Next. Second one. Salt. Salt comes from plant. Third one. Tin. Tin comes from plant. No అయితే red color. Yes అయితే green color. Okay. Fourth one. Coffee. Coffee comes from plants. You can fill this green color like this. Okay. Fifth one. Plastic. Plastic comes from plants. Yes అయితే green color. No అయితే leave it. Sixth one. Glass. Glass comes from plants. Fill the color. Seventh one. Rubber. Rubber comes from plants. Yes అయితే green color. No అయితే leave it. Eighth one. Steel. Steel comes from plant. And next ninth one. Jute. Jute comes from plant. You fill the color. Cotton comes from plants. Fill the color. Green color. Salt not comes from plant. No. And tin comes from plants? No. Jute comes from plant? Yes. Fill the green color. Coffee comes from plants? Yes. Fill the green color. Plastic? No. Glass? No. Rubber comes from plants? Yes. Fill the green color. Steel comes from plants? No. Okay? You can do this like your notebook. Given below are the names of things. We use color the boxes. Green for the things which come from plants. Cotton. Green in color. Fill this box. Green in color. Salt. No, it not comes from plants. Leave it. Tin. It not comes from plants. Jute. Yes, it's a plant. Fill the color green color. Coffee. Coffee comes from plants. It's green in color. Keep this. Fill this green color. Plastic. No. Glass. No. Rubber. Yes, rubber comes from rubber tree. Fill the color green. Steel. Steel comes from plants? No. Okay, I understand. Like this, you also do in your notebook and see the colors. I understand, children? Thank you so much.